can't hear sound when visiting websites in Chrome? Let me show you how to fix that in seconds. Start by opening the Google Chrome app on your device. Once you're in Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the main menu. From the drop-down, scroll down and tap on Settings to access your browser preferences. Now in the Settings menu, look for Site Settings and tap on it. This section controls what websites are allowed to do, like using your camera, sending notifications, and in this case, playing sound. Inside Site Settings, scroll through the list until you see the option labeled Sound. Tap it. If the sound toggle is switched off, this means websites are blocked from playing any audio. Just tap the switch to turn it on, and sound will be re-enabled for all sites by default. Now go back to the website you were trying to use and refresh the page. You should be able to hear the sound from videos or music without any issues. If you want more control, you can also block or allow specific sites individually from the same sound settings page. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, consider subscribing, and drop a comment if there's another issue you want help with.